Today I'm going to show you guys the African rock python. This is the African rock python. It's getting some size on her. She's taming out very well. I just fed her a little baby chick. And you know, I try to put variety into her diet. Usually this girl goes for chickens pretty well. For chicks. Let's see how she looks this time. There you go. You want to give it a little shake. Girl's fresh out of shed, looking really nice. Alright. So when I take out this girl, she's still a little bit hissy. She's not there yet. I'm just trying to get her a little bit more handleable. I try to time her sessions a little bit more now. First I was doing only 10 minutes, so it doesn't really stress her out too much. Now I'm doing a little bit longer, 20-minute sessions. Same goes for my retic. My retic, I try to do a little bit more time. The berm, my anaconda, I'm starting to lay off them and try to give these guys more attention because you don't want a giant, aggressive, or defensive African rock python. You can tell she's a little squirmy still, but that's why I noticed that the difference between the African rocks and the berms. These ones, they like to move a little bit more, and they're a little bit more squirmy, I would say, where the berms are more slower moving and you like to relax every now and then. These guys are a little bit movie like the retics, like to, you know, move around, but you can tell she's calming down a lot. And the colors on this girl, yeah, I'm still learning. This is my first time ever owning a African rock, and you know, it's a big learning experience. And she just ate a chick the other day, like I think it was 2 days ago. So she probably doesn't want to be bothered still, but you could tell. So right now I'm getting her hook trained still. I take her out with the hook, and then when she's out with the hook and I take her out, she's easy to handle. Not like the retic. The retic takes at least 5 to 10 minutes to relax. This girl tends to relax a little bit quicker. So you can tell this girl's growing very nicely. See the nice colorations on this girl. Let's see. Let's see. Face that way. You can tell the head difference between the Burm and the African rock. Yeah, she's becoming one of my favorite snakes. I say all these snakes are my favorite snakes. It's hard to tell which one is my favorite. You can tell once she calms down, she calms down a lot. So this is the largest and longest snake in Africa. You know, I'm not looking to get a huge snake out of her, a record size snake out of her. I'm looking just to have a good pet. No need to try breeding these snakes. There's a lot of breeders out there. So you can tell she's taming out very well. I'm probably gonna wait a few more months before I decide to put her in my animal plastics cage, just because, you know, I don't want her to smash up her face by striking at the glass. She's still a little bit more cage defensive. Until she stops to be cage defensive, then I'll decide whether or not to put her in the animal plastics cage if she's ready. Now I just want to give you guys an update on the African rock python. Probably in a week or two, I want to do a video on weighing all my giant snakes, or the giant snake breeds I have, and see which one weighs the most. I think this girl is probably one of the biggest I have right now. Could be the retic, it's hard to tell. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on that. Well, that's my African rock python, Python Sebe, the largest and longest snake in Africa. Growing very nicely right now.